We all love pizza. Cheesy, crunchy, hot, and yummy, right? Today we will talk about the country which is famous for its huge contributions to the worlds of art, architecture, fashion, opera, literature, design, tourism, and film. The list goes on. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Meticulous Business Plans. In this video, we will explore Italy to understand business opportunities. If you want to know potential business opportunities in Italy that have huge demand and growth potential, then this video is for you. Before deciding a business idea to start in Italy, you need to understand resources available, demand, supply and target market of Italy, and have to study this region in depth on various parameters. Let's understand first parameter, geography. Italy, formerly the Italian Republic situated in South Central Europe, is likewise essential for Western Europe. The nation covers about 301,340 km². Rome as its capital and Milan as monetary or financial capital. The nation shares landlines to its north with Italy, Switzerland, Austria and Slovenia. Italy possesses a peninsula that projects profound into the Mediterranean Sea and is encircled by 4 unique seas from 3 sides: Adriatic Sea in the east, Ionian Sea in south, Ligurian Sea and Tyrrhenian Sea in west. Italy is known to have a Mediterranean environment with blistering, dry summers and cool wet winters. Now let's understand next parameter, population. The population of Italy in the year 2021 remains at 60 million and is identical to 0.78% of the absolute total population of the world. Italy positions 23 in the rundown of nations as far as populace and covers an absolute land space of 294,140 km² and is the 5th most crowded country in Europe. The next is important parameter to understand, economy. In the year 2020, the GDP of Italy remained $1.88 trillion. Italy's economy is the 4th largest in the European Union and the 8th largest in the world by GDP. The differentiated financial development in a commitment of the customer merchandise industry, with GDP incorporating 61% of family utilization, 19% of government use and 17% of gross fixed capital arrangement. Italy's exports of goods and services remains at 31.50% and imports of goods and services at 28.45%, adding to GDP. Agriculture contributed 1.93% while industry contributed 21.42% and service contributed 66.27%. The GDP of the year 2021 is around $1.9 trillion while recuperating from the pandemic which struck the entire world. Italy's top export items accounted for 57.8% of its overall value of its global shipment in the year 2020. Let's look deep into exports contribution. Machinery including computers $91.9 billion, vehicles $38.3 billion, pharmaceuticals $35.9 billion, electrical machinery equipments $30.8 billion, plastic articles $20.3 billion. While talking about imports, Italy's main imports are powers, engine vehicles and crude materials, synthetic substances, hardware and food. Now let's have a look at another parameter, transport facilities. Italy has an all-around curated transport framework discussing the Italian rail network which is quite broad, particularly in north, as it incorporates a high-velocity rail network that joins the significant urban areas of Italy from Naples through northern urban communities like Milan and Turin. Italy has the world's 13th biggest rail organization. There are around 77 air terminals having clear runways and 43 significant seaports, including the port of Geneva, the nation's biggest and third most active via freight weight in the Mediterranean Sea. Industrial scenario. This parameter is going to help you much while deciding business idea. Listen it carefully. In 2020, the service sector had roughly 18.2 million individuals, while in 2019, roughly 18.7 million individuals worked. Adding to that, in 2020, roughly 4.254 million individuals worked in the industry sector, contrasting to 4.277 million in the year 2019. While in the construction area, there is an increment from 1.526 million in 2019 to 1.547 million in 2020. Lastly, the numbers roughly continue to be 940 million in the area of agriculture sector, forestry and fishing for 2 consecutive years, 2020 and 2019. Italy being the essential center point associated with Eastern, Southern and Central Europe, As a member from the European Union organizations in Italy have duty-free access to more than 50 million consumers in more than 30 national markets with the European Economic Area. It enjoys being at a critical geographic area, making it a primary hub. What government has to offer to entrepreneurs? Let's understand next parameter, industrial schemes and policies. The public authority offers various tax reduction and motivation such as corporate tax reduction for business, particularly for recruiting females and more youthful specialists. Monetary for energy proficiency projects. The authority also provides incentives for R&D. The government always welcomes the foreign entrepreneurs and offers business setup services at ease. Now let's have a look at upcoming and ongoing projects. Italy is set to embark on a broad framework project from Next Generation Italia to Milano Cortina 2026 Winter Olympics. Italy would be planning to invite entrepreneurs from the world to invest in a country through FDIs. There are also some different ventures like the Geneva project. I hope you got to know something new about Italy, as you have an overview of Italy and its available resources and business environment. Let's see industry-wise business ideas in Italy. The top industries in Italy which has high potential are agriculture, manufacturing of clothes and perfume, advanced tech, travel and tourism. So let's start with agriculture. Grains, soybeans, meat, dairy products are produced in Italy's northern part, while fruits, vegetables, olive oil and durum wheat are produced in southern part. Wine production is the most profitable business out of all since Italy is one of the top places for wine manufacturing. Also, fact is wine from Italy is globally more celebrated than of any other country, but also the quality of the wine has to be good. For starting own wine manufacturing business, you might need some capital to put up facility or lease it. Some more for inventory and some for distribution. Overall, having the bandwidth of USD 100,000 or more can be a good start. The next potential industry is manufacturing of clothes and perfume. We all know Italy comes second in Europe after Germany in terms of manufacturing. Italians have great expertise in fashion along with the materials being super fine. Brands like Gucci, Prada to Dolce and Gabbana have become worldwide sensations along with many others. Italy enjoys being among 5 other nations in the list of export trade surplus, which is a bonus to the Italian makers. You might need some capital to put up facility or lease it, some more for inventory and some for distribution. In addition to this, marketing and testing could be the additional cost. Overall, having the bandwidth of USD 50,000 to 100,000 or more can be a good start. There are some good opportunities in advanced tech. Several market reports have indicated Italy's biotech or biotechnology industry is among its quickly developing areas and is held by a well-established academic and infrastructure, a large portion of which is centered around R&D with a high fixation in the existing sciences, including medication and human medical care, farming, veterinary, and the climate. Italy is Europe's third biggest chemical producer, principally focusing on the agribusiness, food and drink markets. Due to huge robotization of all manpower in Italy, numerous enormous global organizations have a grounded presence in Italy, utilizing Italy's talented work and vital area in Europe. For manufacturing of drones, you will need USD 50,000 for building assembly unit and for inventory. Next, travel and tourism. It has lot to offer. The Italian Republic is well known for its craft, design, food, history, culture, antiquated landmarks, seashores, mountains and excellent coastlines. The nation likewise comprises of 51 World Legacy destinations, which is the most elevated number facilitated by any country on the planet and right now remains as third most visited country in Europe with 58.3 million guests. To start a business of caravan tourism business, an investment of USD 500,000 will be required to purchase 5 luxury camper vans and additional 100,000 will be required for starting business, from company registration to employee salaries. The opportunities in Italy have no end. Now let's move to another interesting part of the video. Meticulous Business Plans is working on market research and opportunity analysis of Italy, and the research is based on availability resources, environment, transport, geography, economy, business environment and many other factors. This report includes top 10 to 15 business ideas which are most feasible, profitable and high growing in Italy. In this report you will get in detailed Italy analysis, top 10 to 15 business ideas, basic capital required, return on investments, SWOT analysis, Porter's 5 forces of business and much more. So if you wish to know more about business opportunities in Italy, then get in touch with us. Meticulous Business Plans is a professional business planning company and we provide business plans, visa business plans, detailed and bankable project report, market research and opportunity analysis report, investor presentation. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon and never miss any update. Thank you.